Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my crochet pattern, the blocked granny square. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, be familiar with the granny square, and be familiar with the block stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. There are several different ways that you can start your square. I have a bunch of different tutorials on my YouTube channel, including the magic ring, the slip stitch method. I'm just going to go with the chain method. It's how I make all of my squares, so that's what I'm going to be using today, but I will have those other tutorials listed down below, so you can use them if you would like. So on my hook, I have already made 3 chains. For your first row, it's going to be exactly like how you would start a granny square. So we're going to work 2 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook, or the chain that is farthest away from your hook. That's 2 double crochet made. So you could see those chains from the beginning are also going to count as a double crochet. So now this is going to count as 3 double crochet together. Make 2 chains. Work 3 double crochet into that center chain. So 1, 2, and 3. Make 2 chains. Work 3 double crochet into that center. 1, 2, and 3. 2 chains, and work 3 more double crochet into that center. 1, 2, and 3, and 2 chains. You're going to slip stitch back into those first chains made to complete your first row. To start my second row, I have attached a new color, and I have attached it into the corner of my previous row, so you could attach it to any of these previous corners. And I have already made 4 chains on my hook. Now you're going to make 1 single crochet into that same corner where your chains are attached. Now make 3 chains, and then make a single crochet into the next corner. So you're going to skip over these 3 double crochet, make a single crochet into the next corner. Make 3 chains. Make a single crochet into that same corner. Make 3 chains. Skip over these 3 double crochet. You're going to be working into this next corner, making a single crochet. 3 chains. Make a single crochet into that same corner. 3 chains. Skip over these previous 3 double crochet. Work into this next corner, making a single crochet. Make 3 chains. Make a single crochet in that same corner. You can see how that's looking so far. We're making little corners. We're making spaces right here to work into. So chain 3. You're going to slip stitch into these previous chains that you made at the beginning of your row to complete that second row. For my third row, I have attached a new color, and I have already made 3 chains on my hook, and I have attached it into this corner, so you could start at any of the previous corners. These 3 chains are going to count as 1 double crochet. So I'm going to work 2 double crochet into this corner. Make 2 chains. And then work 3 double crochet into the same corner. You're going to move on to this side space right here from these previous chains. You're going to work 3 double crochet into that space. So as your square gets bigger, you are going to have more of these spaces on your sides between your corners to work these 3 double crochet into. And I did want to note that for any future rows. We've come to another corner. You're going to work 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet. You can see how it's very similar to the first row. We've come to a side space. Work 3 double crochet into that space. Our next corner, we're going to work 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet into that corner. And you're going to repeat these steps until you reach the beginning of your row. When you reach the beginning of your row, slip stitch into the previous chains that you made to complete your row. To start my 4th row, I have attached my new color and I have already made 4 chains on my hook. I have connected that to the corner space, so you could start at any corner space. So after these 4 chains, you're going to make a single crochet into this same corner space. Make 3 chains. Skip over this previous 3 double crochet. You're going to work in between these next 3 and these previous 3 right here. You're going to make a single crochet. Chain 3. Skip over these 3 double crochet. You're going to work in between this set of 3 and this set of 3, making a single crochet. Chain 3. We're now to a corner space where you're going to make a single crochet, chain 3, and a single crochet into that same corner space. Make 3 chains. Skip these 3 double crochet, work in between this set of 3 and this set of 3, making a single crochet. Chain 3. Same thing, skip this 3, work in between these 3 and these 3, making a single crochet. Chain 3. Another corner space, you're going to work a single, chain 3, single into that corner space. That's how that is looking. You can repeat these steps around until you reach the beginning of your row. When you reach the beginning chains of your row, you're going to slip stitch into them to complete that row. And that's how That is looking. You would now alternate between rows 3 and 4 for however long you want your project. And I will have every row timestamped down below so you can reference back to. And that is going to be how to make the crochet blocked granny square. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.